Hi everyone! Today we are making the super cute Kirby Shake that's popular in Japan and around the world. Just look at this adorable packaging! All you need is milk. How great is that? The shake is strawberry flavored. And of course, strawberry and milk are a perfect match. On the back, you'll find the instructions. Let's open it up. I'm so excited! Wow, so good! Look at this cup! What do you think? It's really sturdy, so you can keep using it even after making the shake. There's even a straw inside. Okay, let's get started. Open the cup. There's the shake powder. It's strawberry flavor, everyone's favorite. Now, pour in cold milk up to the red on the cup. If the milk is nice and cold, it will taste even better. Strawberry and milk are just the best combo, aren't they? Like this. Now, add the powder. It's a soft pink color and the sweet strawberry smell comes out as soon as you open the packet. Carefully pour the powder in without spilling. Next, we add an ice cube. I hope it doesn't overflow. Let's add it gently. Phew, it's fine. It looks so cold and delicious. Now, put the lid on tightly and shake it up. I hope it doesn't spill. Shake it gently. Is it mixing? Let's shake it a bit more. That should do it. Can't wait! Let's stick in the straw and give it a taste. Oh! It's set! Looks perfect! Oh, the strawberries settled at the bottom. We need to mix it more. Let's stir it with the straw. Round and round. How's that? It's a bit hard to mix it with the straw. The straw doesn't really reach the bottom, but I still want to do my best to mix it. Like this. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Oh wow, the inside is a bit frothy now. It's turned a soft, even pink. It looks delicious. Alright, time to taste. いただきます。It's cold and so tasty. The strawberry milk flavor is amazing. It's super easy and super yummy. I highly recommend it. We introduce lots of fun DIY candy kits on this channel, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!